Hey guys, welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where we're constantly cooking you guys up quick, easy, and delicious food, one plate at a time. And today, I'm gonna keep it a little bit short and show you guys something that's gonna be useful for all types of drinks, whether you're behind the bar, whether you're making a lemonade, a sweet tea, whatever it might be. Stop buying that stuff that they sell you at the store and go ahead and make it yourself. All you need is a pan. Put it over medium heat, and all you need are 2 ingredients, and that's sugar and water equal parts. So 1 cup water, 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead, add your water, your sugar, and a spatula to stir it up. Let that cook until all of this murkiness becomes clear. That sugar is going to soak into the water, and that's how you're going to get your simple syrup. And that's it. That's all you need to do to get an amazing at-home simple syrup that you can use for teas, lemonades, all kinds of stuff. I've used this to even sweeten up a couple of bubbly, sugar-free carbonated drinks just to add a little bit of flavor to them. Okay, so there you have it. Now that all those sugar crystals are gone, take it off the heat, and there you go. You have your hot simple syrup liquid. I like to transfer to a heat-safe dish. And you can go ahead and put that in the fridge. You can put it in an airtight container and let that chill, and then you'll be ready to go. So 1 cup of water with 1 cup sugar yields about 2 cups of simple syrup. So if you only need a cup, half that amount, but this is great for your sweet teas, lemonades, and other sweetened beverages. So now that you've added this to your sealed container, go ahead and keep this in the fridge for about up to a month, if it lasts that long. But other than that, that's it, you're done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you never miss anything that we're coming out with next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.